Problem ya no lona bana ba lona ha ba sa ratana le lona ba ratana le social media. Why? Because le mamela di advice tse tswang basadi ba bang on social media. Bana ba lona ba sa ratana le lona ba ratana le molaetsa ya social media. Alright. Skhotheni o jwetsa gore monna o tshwara tjenana o bona monna wa sa yetse ntweno o sontse o topotse ha so ka yetsa dilemo kaofela gobane se ke buile jalo o so e batla ha gago o ka sha papa ka a tjha ke je o Sunday cause ha re tswe re gotse ka o tshwana ska batla ntho e o duma matla gago tseba mo wena o emeng teng.
Hi guys, welcome back to Celeb Gossip Entertainment. So guys, Gogo Skhotheni is now a preacher. Gogo Skhotheni is preaching in churches. Gogo Skhotheni now is getting booked to preach in churches, guys. I'm just wondering how much they paid her, I'm really wondering. And people are now calling her a professional hustler because the girl, she is everywhere. She is everywhere, from being a sangoma to businesswoman, because she is also selling her products. She is also a DJ, she is a preacher, she has a podcast, guningi, and people are just like, how girls home fundis manch, so guningi. But for the fact that they booked her in that church, maybe they saw something, guys. Maybe they saw something that we didn't see, or maybe really she does have churches where she preaches. I don't know, but church by day and then DJ by night. Like in South Africa, guys. In South Africa, you can be anything that you want to be. As long as it brings in the coins, as long as you are securing the bag, just be anything that you want to be. And now maybe she is going to get bookings also from other churches, since maybe they saw her preaching in that church with that tight red dress. I don't know, but maybe this is the start of a new journey for her, a new career, because I guningi, guys, guningi, and she is living her best life, and she doesn't even care what people say, even though she is bullied, guys. She is bullied, but yeah, guys, please like and subscribe. I will see you next.